Ever hear the term Model Context Protocol and wonder what it actually means? Let's break it down, fast and simple. In Python, especially when working with machine learning frameworks or complex data workflows, the Model Context Protocol is a design pattern used to define how a model behaves within a certain scope or context. It's kind of like saying, hey, when this model is in this situation, here's how it should act. You'll often run into this in large ML libraries or in AI tooling, like when managing how different models get loaded, cached, or interact with resources like GPUs or memory. Python uses the Context Manager protocol, the one with the with statement. The Model Context Protocol builds on that idea. For example, inside this with block, the model might automatically switch to evaluation mode, route computation to the right device, or temporarily lock certain behaviors. This is super helpful when you're dealing with multiple models, shared resources, or production environments where you can't afford mistakes. It also makes your code cleaner, safer, and easier to manage. So next time you see a Model Context Protocol, just think, it's a smart Pythonic way to control your model's behavior, right when and where you need it. Want more clear breakdowns like this? Hit the link below to learn more with hands-on examples on Educative. See you in the next one.